$1.89. This one color eyeshadow look, I'm going to change it into a soft glam look. Keep watching and it will be a step-by-step so you can get your eyeshadow to be a soft glam with easy steps. I am still using the LA Colors Cool palette. I am going into this shimmer right here. I have my glitter glue and I'm going to put that on my lids. This is the glitter glue. I'll tap my fingers on it and then I will put it right on my lids so I can put the shimmer. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. Welcome. If you're new, my name is V. I create simple eyeshadow looks for anyone who wants to wear single eyeshadow makeups, and then I change it into something different later on, and then I do a lot of colorful, fun makeup looks. If that is something you like, please consider subscribing. And if you know someone else who like those videos, share it with them. From this to that. Simple and easy, and you can do it. Today's encouraging word is the universe hears my thoughts and appreciates them. The universe hears my thoughts and appreciate them. This is a very, very smooth shimmer. It's not loud, but it's pretty. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not give up on yourself. When the world gives up on you, you have to embrace you. Life is not easy. We create our own universe. We create our own reality. Pay attention to your thoughts and see what you are thinking and what reality that you are creating. The first shimmer is very pretty. This palette cost me $1.89. I'm going into this shimmer right here. It's a bronzy shimmer. I'm going to put it in the outer corner. It is a pretty palette. If you see this palette, you can pick it up. It is approved by me. I don't have fallouts. I don't have fallouts. The brush with the first color, I am just going to take it and just pass it right here in the crease, just to smooth everything. I have very, very hooded eyes, so my color has to show. I am back with the soft glam look. This is it. I use 2 shimmers on the lids. And then I use this shimmer right here in the lower lash line. You can create a glam look with a $1.89 palette. I just created this simple glam look. And you can go out and have a wonderful time at whatever event you need to be at. My lip color is called Vamp by Wet n Wild. This is very, very old. I won a giveaway from All Things Drea. All Things Drea. And there were lots of other stuff in there. But I just want to show you what she makes. And it is beautiful. This. You see this? How pretty this is? You can use this as a coin purse. You can put your lipstick in there, throw it in your bag. You can do anything with this. And there is a bag that accompanied that wallet or purse, whichever way you want to call it. This is it. This is the bag. And it says, don't let other people's mess get you dirty. How beautiful. So that was part of a giveaway that I did win from All Things Drea. Go check her out. She's on YouTube. She has a variety of stuff on her channel. You might find something that you love there. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Life will put you in a tailspin if you let it. Take deep breaths. Find someone to talk to. Reach out, but don't go down the wrong path. Always, always, always pray. Always pray. Have faith and hope that things will change for you. Do not give up, because when you give up, you never see the fruits of your prayers. Until I see you and you see me, remember, the universe hears your thoughts and appreciates them. Send out more positive thoughts out there into the universe because it is listening. Again, my look for today: beautiful, simple, easy, soft, glam look. Hype this video, share this video with a friend, and I will see you shortly. Bye. I'm feeling myself.